Friends, welcome to online classes of Leal Public School. How are you? Hope you all are good at home and enjoy your classes. Students, in this class we are going to start our assignment and copywork of this chapter. So look at this. Moving around assignment. Chapter 11. Find 5 words in the word means that are related to movement. हमें ये जो बॉक्स दिया हुआ है इस बॉक्स में 5 वर्ड सर्च करने हैं किससे रिलेटेड मूवमेंट से रिलेटेड सो लुक एट दिस व्हाट इट इज क्या है वो वर्ड्स ओके फर्स्ट लेफ्ट LEFT लेफ्ट ओके सेकंड MOVE मूव सेकंड इज MOVE मूव third is backward 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 next is forward 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 yes here it is FORWARD forward okay next is RIGST right RIGST right so we tick on right is that okay now moving to the next question look at this what it is yes tick the correct option Ahan Priya and Tia go to Mr. Thomas' house on a bus train or bicycle yes bicycle so we tick on bicycle okay next is we can our body in many ways not move none of this move we can move our body in many ways okay the blackbird on page 79 of the book is the bluebird what कहाँ है उसके आगे है पीछे है फ्रंट में है टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ इन फ्रंट और बिहाइंड वो उसके पीछे इफ योर स्कूल इज इन योर नेबरहुड योर स्कूल इज योर हाउस नियर फार और वेरी फार यस अगर आपका स्कूल आपके नेबरहुड में है मतलब आपके आसपास है your school is yes आसपास है मतलब नियर है नेबरहुड मतलब नियर जो हमारे आसपास होता है उसको हम नेबरहुड बोलते हैं ना तो वो क्या है हमारे नियर है we used to reach place far from our house जो चीजें हमारे घर से दूर होती हैं हम उनके वहां जाने के लिए किसका यूज करते हैं vehicles legs और hands किसका vehicles yes good now moving to the next question look at this what it is yes name the following two wheeler vehicles three wheeler vehicles or four wheeler vehicles so two wheeler vehicles first bicycle what we write here bicycle 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 second is motor BIKE bike motorbike now third is three wheeler wheels one number what we write auto rickshaw next is cycle rickshaw okay auto rickshaw and cycle rickshaw now four wheeler is car and bus car and bus okay two wheeler bicycle or motorbike 3-wheeler, auto rickshaw, cycle rickshaw, 4-wheeler, car and bus. Next is find words from the chapter that rhymes with the following. Brain. What is the rhyming word of brain? Train. So what we write here? Train. 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 Okay. Like. What is the rhyming word of like? Like bike. So we write bike here. B-I-K-E. Bike. Okay. Next is tar. tar का क्या होगा? कार. C-A-R. कार. C-A-R. कार. Okay. Pram का क्या होगा? Yes. Tram. T-R-A-M. Tram. Tear. T-E-A-R. Tear. Near. N-E-A-R. Near. N-E-A-R. Near. Okay, is that clear? Now it's time to do copy work of this chapter. So you all please open your SST copy and do copy work with ma'am. Okay. Yes. How should you write in your copy? You should write like this. Chapter number 11, moving around, in your first line and second line. Then question number 1, dictation word in your third line. And your first dictation word is forward. F-O-R-W-A-R-D. Forward. F-O-R-W-A-R-D. Forward. Backward. B-A-C-K-W-A-R-D. Backward. B-A-C-K-W-A-R-D. Backward. Okay. Left. L-E-F-T. Left. Next is right. R-I-G-S-T. Right. Next is front. F-R-O-N-T. Front. F-R-O-N-T. Front. Next is snowman. S-N-O-W-M-A-N. Snowman. Okay. Seventh is lamp post. L-A-M-P. Lamp. P-O-S-T. Post. Lamp post. Next is sailboat. S-A-I-L. Sail. B-O-A-T. Boat. Sailboat. Next is lighthouse. L-I-G-H-T. Light. H-O-U-S-E. House. Lighthouse. Next, behind. B-E-H-I-N-D. Behind. B-E-H-I-N-D. Behind. Now, moving to the next question, and you all please take your new page. Lesson number 11. You should write in your first line. Then question number 2. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. We can move our body in many ways. हम अपनी body को अलग-अलग तरीकों से move कर सकते हैं. We can move to the left and to the right. हम अपनी body को left भी move कर सकते हैं और right भी move कर सकते हैं. The snowman is near the lamppost. The snowman is near the lamppost. Snowman जो है वो कहाँ है? Lamppost के पास में है. We use vehicle to reach places far from us. We use vehicle to reach places far from us. और हम vehicle का यूज क्यों करते हैं? जब कोई व्हीकल्स हमारे से दूर होते हैं तब हम का यूज करते हैं. Yes. Now our next question is put right or wrong. Put right or wrong. First sentence is we move from one place to another with the help of our legs. क्या हम एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने के लिए अपने legs का यूज करते हैं? Yes. That's why we put right here. Now next is we cannot move our head. क्या हम अपना head move नहीं कर सकते? कर सकते हैं. It's wrong. That's why we put cross here. We can move our eyes. We can move our eyes. क्या हम अपनी eyes को move कर सकते हैं? Yes. We can move to the left and the right. और क्या हम left right move कर सकते हैं? Yes. That's why we put right here. Now moving to the next question. Look at this. What it is? Yes. Again, we should write lesson number in your first line. Then question number. Name the following 4 ways to move our body. कौन-कौन से 4 अलग-अलग तरीके हैं जिसमें हम अपनी बॉडी को मूव कर सकते हैं? लेफ्ट, राइट, फॉरवर्ड और बैकवर्ड. लेफ्ट, राइट, फॉरवर्ड और बैकवर्ड. Four vehicles: car, bus, scooter, bicycle. Car, bus, scooter or bicycle. Four body parts that can move. Four body parts that can move: head, eyes, arm and leg. Head, eyes, arm and legs. Now again moving to the next question. Again, you should write lesson number in your first line. Then question number 5th, name them. When something is in front of us, we move forward. जब कोई चीज हमारे सामने होती है तो हम क्या कहाँ मूव करते हैं? सामने की तरफ ना, आगे की तरफ ना, तो इट्स फॉरवर्ड. FORWARD, फॉरवर्ड. When something is behind us, when something is behind us, we move. जब कोई चीज हमारे पीछे होती है तो हम किधर की साइड मूव करते हैं? बैकवर्ड. ओके, वी कैन मूव आवर बॉडी इन मैनी वेज. हम अपनी बॉडी को अलग अलग तरीकों से मूव कर सकते हैं. द स्नोमैन इज नियर द, यस, वेयर? लैम्प पोस्ट. स्नोमैन कहाँ है? किसके पास है? लैम्प पोस्ट के पास है. Now, again, you should open your new page and you should write lesson number 11 in your first line, then question number 6. Give answer in one word. What can we move in many ways? What can we move in many ways? Our body. What can we move in many ways? Our body. हम अपनी body को अलग-अलग तरीकों से move कर सकते हैं. Where can we move when something is in front of us? Where can we move when something is in front of us? जब कोई चीज हमारे सामने होती है तो हम कहाँ मूव करते हैं? आगे की तरफ ना, फॉरवर्ड. FORWARD, फॉरवर्ड. What do we use for going to places for far and near? हम आसपास जाने के लिए या दूर जाने के लिए किन चीजों, किसका यूज करते हैं? व्हीकल्स का. WEHICLES, व्हीकल्स. Okay, now again open your new page and you should write lesson number in your first line, then question number 8, question number 7, answer these questions. Okay, how can we move from one place to another? How can we move? We can move from one place to another with the help of our legs. With the help of our legs. Okay, where is the sailboat? Where is the sailboat? The sailboat is far from the lighthouse. The sailboat is far from the lighthouse. Which vehicle has 4 legs? कौन सा vehicle ऐसा होता है जिसके पास 4 legs होते हैं? A car has 4 legs. A car has 4 legs. कार के 4 wheels होते हैं, 4 legs होते हैं. So students, I hope that's enough for today's class. We will meet in next meeting. Till then, you complete your chapter in your copies in neat and clean handwriting. Take care. Bye bye.